Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to join my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how they crush the palm kernel for that production of oil and other stuff. So this is how the machine slash engine looks like. It's a mobile machine. The user uses it, pushes it to where the service is needed, and he does the service there. So the palm kernels are stacked in bags, yeah, just like this. This is how they look like after the palm oil has been extracted. So these are the byproducts of palm oil, the first stage, but they are going to further crush it to get vegetable oil from inside. So as you can see, it's a mobile machine. So this is how it looks like after the crushing is done. You will have to use your hands to pick the palm nut that has been separated from the palm kernel shell. So you separate with your hands. So now they're just going to pour the palm kernel into the machine to crush it. But this particular machine, they have two types of this kind of machine. The ones that crush and then separate the kernel shell from the actual kernel nut, but this particular one is a local one. It does not separate it. You have to hand pick, you have to separate it with your hands after the crushing process is done. And this machine is so fast, like you have to reload every minute. The crushed ones are coming out from with cloth because it splashes. Like if you don't cover it, it can actually blind your eyes if you go close to it. So that's why they have to cover the opening with a cloth to kind of like contain the things coming out so that it doesn't splash all over the place. And he has to do what he's doing right now to give room for more of the crushed kernels to come out. Guys, I'm so happy that something like this is available now. Like the last time I was in the village, we used stone to crush this kernel. Like you can imagine how many kernels has been crushed within a short period of time. So you can imagine how much time it's going to take if you were to use your hands to crush this with, like you use your hands to crush this with a stone one by one. Like it will take you forever to do what this machine has done within these few minutes. I'm just so glad for development, like advancement is just coming to the village. And please, if you haven't liked this video, please do that right now, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other videos. So he's going to be picking some that escaped being crushed, so he's going to pick them and put them back into the engine. So after this, he's done with this woman, he's going to move to another place and crush some more. That's what he does. He does this all day, and thankfully it's a mobile machine, so it takes it to wherever the service is needed. So it's just a repetitive process. You load, it comes out, you reload, it comes out, you load, it crushes and comes out. So that's how you do until every one of the palm kernel is crushed. So this is what it looks like after the crushing process is done. You now have to sit and start hand picking out the nut from the shell. So I don't know if you noticed, but he has moved to another location and he's doing the process all over again. So basically they just fetch the palm kernel and then pour into the machine, and then it comes out crushed, completely crushed. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.